Hi guys, so finally Mumbai University Part 2 form has started. Now Part 1 और Part 2 में पहले तो आप डिफरेंस समझ लीजिए because lot of students are getting confused. काफ़ी सारे पेरेंट्स ने कॉलेज का फॉर्म भर दिया है without Part 2 फॉर्म. क्या उन्हें वापस से भरना पड़ेगा? I am going to explain each and everything. Also, this is a step by step video for how to fill in Part 2 form, which is also called as Pre-Enrollment Form. Guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. Now talking about part 1 and part 2. Part 1 का मतलब है registration. आपको अपने आप को मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी पे रजिस्टर करना था, जो कि बंद होगा 23rd of May को. Only for registration, that is the last date. Now talking about pre-enrollment form, जहाँ पे आप अपने colleges और अपने courses को select करते हो. Now courses means you have to go and select the course, whichever course you want to apply. For example, आपको apply करना है BCom. आप BCom select करोगे और उसके अंदर जितने भी colleges है, autonomous, non-autonomous, ये सारे आपको list में मिल जाएंगे, which is under Mumbai University. आपको अपना college select करना है. कॉलेज सिलेक्ट करने के बाद सारी डिटेल्स भरनी है. नाउ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग कि दे आर गेटिंग स्टक विद द 12th रिजल्ट्स कि उनके पास आई नहीं है. तो फॉर देम लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, आपके पास रिजल्ट डिजिटली आ चुके हैं, आप वो अपलोड कर सकते हो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. सो यू कैन अपलोड एंड प्रोसीड. सो आपका जब ये प्री एनरोलमेंट फॉर्म बन जाएगा, एवरी कॉलेज विल हैव अ यूनिक प्री एनरोलमेंट नंबर, जो कि आपको इंडिविजुअल कॉलेज पे जाके यूज करनी है. वो अपना पार्ट 3 होगा. सो नाउ यू वॉच द स्टेप बाय स्टेप वीडियो फॉर द पार्ट 2. आपको कैसे करना है ये फॉलो करके आप अपना फॉर्म भर पाओगे. And yes, before we start this step-by-step video, let me tell you, we do admission hand-holding. If you want my team to do it for you, just contact us on this WhatsApp number if you want my team to fill your form. So now let's start with a step-by-step video.
Hello guys, welcome to Media Mentor. And before filling the form, please note that you have to fill it on your laptop. Don't do it on your phone. Alright. So once you select the program, once you select the drop down, select the desired course that you need. For explanation, we have entered mass media over here. BMMC is the course that we are gonna be filling. So we will just set our preferences. As you can see on your screen, we have filled preferences right from 1, 2, 3. You can fill as many as you want, as many offerings are there. As you can see, there is one of 37 entries. That means there are 37 colleges and you can select 37 preferences for BAMMC under University of Mumbai. Alright. For simplicity of purpose, we are just going to be selecting few colleges and updating on the screen. So as you can see, we have just populating few results. We have populated till 5th and we will go on and populate further more result. We'll select Jahind as a 7th preference. We'll select Jain Khalsa as the 8th preference, and so on and so forth. We'll go on, put Mithibai. Post that, we'll try to select one more preference. We'll take Wilson as 11th preference. So you can select your list as much as you want. For explanation, we have given a list of 11 colleges. All right. And once you've done that, just note the college and institute. On the left side, there is a college code. College code is for verification purpose. In case there are multiple SIS, you can always verify which SIS you're talking about from the college code. Select next. Once you have done that, you have to verify all your details once again. All your personal details, family details, category details, verify it one more time. If it is perfect, click on next button. So once you click, you will have to read your eligibility. Go through the eligibility, select yes. Start. So you have to select your year of passing of standard 10th. Once you have done that, enter the name of your school properly and enter the board or university of where you passed from your 10th standard. All right. For SSC student, please note the roll number is mentioned on your mark sheet. Please mention that, or it is the certificate of marks that you get from the respective board. For all the other students such as IGSC and IB board, it's quite possible that the roll number of 10th and 12th standard is one and the same. So please keep a note of that. Mention your respective division, what you got in standard 10th. Mention your respective percentage. And once you've done that, just mention the total number of subjects that you had in 10th. Please note, you can use comma, you can use full stop. You cannot use and as a symbol. You will have to write completely A and D as and. Say if you're writing maths and stats, you have to write maths A and D stats. Like we can see, there is an error. If I put science and tech, there is an error. So you have to write A and D or remove and. Okay, only then it will accept. Then you enter the standard 12 detail, year of passing, name of the school from where you passed your standard 12th, again respective board of your 10+2 school or college, the registration number or the roll number which is there on your mark sheet. Just select your respective stream. Once you're done selecting your respective stream, you have to select the division. What sort of division that you get, first, second, or third. Enter the percentage marks that you received in standard 12th. Once you have done that, if you had maths, you'll have to enter maths ka percentage, maths ka marks, how much you received out of hundreds. And again, the same exercise, all the subject combination that you had in 12th. Once you've done that, kindly click save and next. Once you've clicked saved and next, you will go to the third tab wherein you have to just verify the academic details. So you will have to look at the eligibility criteria one more time. You can see the qualification details of standard 10th, which you have entered. If there is any problem, you can still correct it. So verify this one more time, name of your school, the board, the subject combination that you have entered, is it correct or incorrect? The percentage marks if you have entered, is it correct or incorrect? These details will be verified. In case of any issue with the particular marks or percentages, it's quite possible that they can reject your application. So please do it carefully. All right. Select next. Go verify the other details such as the respective certifications, quotas, and the language proficiency that you have. Once you do that, you will have to come to the upload section. Upload you will have your photo and signature by default uploaded. If you belong to a particular category, upload the category certificate, and then you will have to upload your class 10th and class 12 mark sheets as well as certificate. Please note mark sheet and certificate. If you have not received it yet, you will have to upload it later on. For standard 10th, I am sure you would have received it. So upload the entire thing. For now, you can upload the standard 12th ka mark sheet which you received from the respective portal. So this is how your final form will look like. Please note it. The QR will have all the information of a respective individual, all the details. If you can scan, you can get the form on QR as well. All right. Please re-verify the details one more time. Once you have re-verified the details, you can again, there is a scope that you can furthermore go back and correct. So this is the final stage before locking, wherein you can re-verify the details. Please do it very, very carefully. As you can see on the screen, we are verifying each and everything very properly, neatly, because this is the second last step, after which you will have to go ahead and lock the form. So everything has to be checked thoroughly and twice, thrice, as many times as you require. Then once everything is in order, you go ahead and sign this particular declaration, and by click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, there is a checkbox declaration that you have to do. This is the last step, guys. Everything is in order. If everything is as per you have declared, everything is correct, all the facts are right, you check all the boxes. Once you have checked all the boxes, and then you go ahead and submit your application. This is the final process, guys. You go ahead and submit the application. So what this means is, for BA MMC application, student has submitted his college preference, for example 11 college preferences with the University of Mumbai, and we will see what happens next. So once you submit the application, you will get a form number. On the left side, the number starts from MU25. This is your pre-enrollment number, guys. Please remember, this is your pre-enrollment number. This will be used to be given as an input when you apply for individual college forms. Okay. If you want, you can take a printout and save the forms as a PDF as well. That's a safe practice that is to be done. Now, if in case you feel like you want to apply for more programs, you applied for BA MMC. Now, what if somebody wants to apply for BCom? What if somebody wants to apply for BA? It's a simple process, guys. We just have to go to the programs and select one more addition of a new program. Now, in case if somebody wants to add more colleges other than these 10 colleges, there is a button of add choice. So if you click on add choice, you can add more options. So now there are 10, you can add 5 more, 6 more, as much as you want. So we'll just look at the new program selection over here. Say for example, you want to do BA. You'll go ahead, you will add BA as a course. And you can see there are 240 colleges which are offering BA. As per your interest, as per your choice, like we did for BA MMC, in the similar manner, you can put a list of 5, list of 10, list of 15 colleges as per your choice. You can do that. And similarly, you can upload multiple programs if you want as per your choice. Please remember, always fill the forms or your laptop or your PC. Do not use your phones. What happens is, if you're using your phones, it is observed last year that multiple students were not able to fill the forms due to there was certain button which is not visible. So this is a mistake. Please avoid, and all the very best.
I hope guys now you're clear कि आपको फॉर्म कैसे अप्लाई करना है. फिर भी कोई अगर क्वेश्चंस है, do let me know in the comment box below. If you want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. My team will share all the details with you. और क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, लाइव में आ जाओ, क्वेश्चंस पूछ लो. आई कम लाइव तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लेना, सो दैट व्हेनेवर आई कम लाइव, बिकॉज कोई डिसाइडेड टाइम नहीं होता है, एज इन व्हेन समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट कम्स इन, वी पुट द वीडियो एंड आई ट्राई टू गो लाइव सो दैट आई कैन सॉल्व ऑल योर डाउट्स दैट यू हैव. So all the best guys, all the important information and the videos will come on YouTube channel and Instagram. Below 60 में कौन से colleges हैं, best colleges कौन से हैं, top 10 list, सारी information आपको Media Mentor पे मिल जाएगी. So make sure करना आप subscribe कर लो and follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.